starting out with my Mayron water activated paint in white, I think. I don't know the exact name, but it is white. Then I'm going to go over top of that with the Naked Cosmetics powder. I'm using my black water activated paint from Mayron. I'm going to start doing the detailing. I'm going to like furrow my brow. And then go into my, basically wherever it's wrinkled, and make those lines. Just making my nostrils bigger. Different shape a little bit. And then I'm going to fill that in black. Hide my, help give the illusion that I have a skinnier face, or that skeleton look. So for whatever reason my camera died way sooner than I thought it would, so I just went ahead and was doing this side, and then I will start the tutorial, or keep up with the tutorial while I can talk on the side. And then what I did was just go and take some of the blue shadow from the NYX Ultimate palette, and I just kind of added some blue areas just to give it some dimension, plus the White Walkers to me have like that blue tint, because you know it's like the ice and stuff. So just wherever you think. I'm going to go back in with some white, just add a little bit here and there. This is just going over with a black shadow and getting the areas around my eyes that it had rubbed off on. Also good if you want to like shade any of these areas. I do have like this grayish color shade. I think I'll put that around in some random spots. Just give it a little bit more dimension, some more shading to it. There you have it, guys. There is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I wanted to do a White Walker for so long. I've been a huge fan of Game of Thrones, the movie, and I'm actually reading the books right now. I highly recommend reading them. I'm currently on the second one because they take a very long time to read, about a week at a time. But yeah, I'm very happy with how this White Walker turn came out. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked. Subscribe if you haven't already if you liked, because it lets me know I'm doing a good job. If you like what I'm doing, it's free, why not? If you don't, the White Walkers will come eat you. No, just kidding. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!
Puerto Ricans, they were playing this salsa in the rain, with open doors and manual locks, and fast food parking lots. I headed west, I was a man on the